Hello and welcome. My name is Kat and I work with the Yoga Times team to review the best current streaming yoga services, yoga teacher trainings and other resources available online. This video is a review of my experience with Yoga International, which is kind of all of the above. I'll try and be brief, but it's difficult because there is so much to it. So Yoga International works on a subscription basis. So you get yourself a membership on a monthly basis and you get access to all of the resources, which include yoga classes for every level. The yoga classes are also of different lengths. So even if you only got 10 minutes, you're welcome to jump on and do a little bit of practice. In addition to yoga classes, it has huge variety of trainings, which was my favorite part. I love to learn new things and rehash the things that I already know. And oh my God, I was like a kid at a candy store. There is so much to choose from. I've already completed 4 trainings, but you better believe that's not the end of it. I'm definitely going to carry on. And these trainings are not solely aimed at yoga teachers. A lot of them are useful for complete beginners. For me, it was even useful to go through beginner training to see how I should approach beginners in my classes, if you know what I mean. In addition to training, you get articles, you get documentaries, you really have this full-fledged bank of knowledge that you can just dip into for a fairly nominal fee a month. And those of you who are registered with Yoga Alliance and need some of those continuing education credits will be happy to know that for every training you complete, you get a certain amount of credits depending on how long the course is. And I would also like to add that the website and the app both work really well, they're really user-friendly, which made the whole experience even smoother. Because who doesn't want to have access to anything you need to practice in your pocket? To read a more detailed review, go to yogatimes.com. And if you've tried Yoga International, let us know in the comments what you thought. Thank you and namaste.